students, welcome you once again on your YouTube channel English Tycoon. Dear students, in today's video I am going to discuss with you class 12th Flamingo book poem third, it is Keeping Quiet. I have already uploaded part 1 of this poem जिसमें मैंने first 2 stanza मतलब around 12 lines I have discussed. Now this is third stanza. In this video I am going to discuss you from the third stanza. And so let's start. Go ahead without wasting time and read the poem. See, dear students, in last video I have explained up to second stanza. This stanza I have explained you. It would be an exotic movement. This one explained by me. So if you have not seen my previous video, part 1 of this poem, please go and see. In today's video I am going to start from third stanza, means line number this. I have told you what is the theme, what is the intention of the poet writing this poem. Again I am repeating that, see, this poet has written to just request human being that he should or she should stop in her life, everybody together, not only. He want to request everybody to stop in her life for a moment and to think about himself, to think about the deed, to think about the failure, to think about the achievement, success, his demerits, his merits, everything he wants that every human being should think about himself, the positive things, the success, the happiness, the achievement he have got. For that he should be or she should be happy. उसने जो भी अचीव किया अपने जीवन में अभी तक उसके लिए उसे खुश होना चाहिए. And whatever loss he have done or he have caused to himself या फिर किसी और को he have caused by his own activity, for that he must have to rectify, for that he must have to feel guilty, for that he must have to think over that कि लाइफ में वो फिर कभी ऐसी एक्टिविटी ना करे जिससे किसी को हार्म हो डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली. So that's why poet want us to count. The poem start with this line, count 1 to 12 in the mind. Poet want everybody to count number 1 to 12 in the mind and to stop speaking, stop doing every activity. और चाहता है कि हम अपनी सारी एक्टिविटी को stop कर दें for a moment. Clear? I hope this is clear. If it is still not clear, please go back to the first part in class 12 playlist of my channel. And वहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा, प्लीज उसको देखिए. उसके बाद आप यहाँ पे आए. If you have seen this, then you can watch from here. I'm going to explain it. I'll explain it both Hindi and English so that you can get it clear. See, third stanza. There are 8 lines. I think 2 I have taken, 8 to 10 lines I have taken. See, those who prepare green war. In previous stanza, means is stanza number 2, he requested us to stop and to think over. And now he has also in second stanza, I mean second part of second stanza of the poem, he had also given some example. He has given example of fisherman. Poet has given example of fisherman, and through the fisherman he wants to tell everyone. Fisherman is representing every human being on this earth. Clear? Through the fisherman he wants that fisherman should stop killing whales. Killing whales का मतलब है every human being should stop doing all the killing of animals, harming of the plant, harming up to the nature, harming to the human being. जितनी भी unwanted activity human being कर रहा है, for what? For getting materialistic things, for achieving something in the life, should stop it. Because ऐसा करके after harming someone, after killing animal, if you are getting something that is useless, वही line यहाँ पर repeat कर रहा है. देखो, those who prepare green war means those who, the people, the soldiers, the countries which are preparing for the green war, for preparing for the war with gas. Gas here means chemical. Gas here means all the harmful things. Wars with fire. Fire means weapon, missiles, bullets. A victory with no survivor. In these 3 lines, poet is saying that those who are preparing for war should stop doing that, because after this war you are not going to get anything, you are not going to achieve anything. Because what you will get after war, जो भी fight कर रहे हैं, जितनी भी country fight कर रहे हैं, उनको क्या मिलेगा? After that what they are going to get? You will get victory, but without no survivor. After victory there will be nobody to survive, there will be nobody to enjoy that. तो क्या एक ऐसी victory की कोई ज़रूरत है? such victory is not required. ये poet का view है. Such success, such victory is not required. Such materialistic achievement is not required जो किसी को harm करके आपको मिले. Fine. I hope it is clear. I hope this much is clear to you. So let's go ahead. See. Now see this here, victory with no survivor means if you fight, if the country will fight, फिर क्या होगा? Thousands of lakhs of soldiers are being killed. Would put on a clean cloth. Poet is requesting every warrior, every fighter, every country, every human being to leave enmity, to leave the idea of enmity, and do what to do? Put on new cloth. Put on new cloth means to change your view, to change your thinking towards life. यहाँ पे new cloth का मतलब नए कपड़े पहनने से नहीं है. Here new cloth refer to the new ethics, new manners, new approach towards life. Before हमारा approach क्या था? To fight, to kill, to harm someone and to get success, to achieve success, to get victory, to capture someone country, to capture someone area, to capture someone house, to capture someone land, to steal someone money, to rob someone money, to cheat someone. ये सारी हमारी क्या है? These are the thing which humans being want to get. और इसके लिए वो क्या करता है? illegal activities करता है. Would you put on a clean cloth? He want us to change our approach toward the life, toward our thinking, and walk about with their brother. And their brother here, their brother means he want to tell those whom we consider our enemy, we should consider them as a brother, and start living, start walking means stop living with them peacefully in the shade, doing nothing without harming them. We should start, we should have a new approach to our life, that there is no enemy, everybody is brother and sister, the whole world is a family. हमारा जो approach होना चाहिए life के प्रति ऐसा होना चाहिए, that whole world is a family, every individual in this universe is a part of our family, and we should not harm him for getting any materialistic or any kind of achievement or any kind of success in life. अगर हम ऐसा कर रहे हैं, that is not going to be that is not going to be achievement on which you can be proud or for which you can be happy. Means by giving pain, अगर आपको कोई सफलता मिल रही है, you are getting some achievement, some success, some materialistic thing, तो वो क्या है? That is useless. You should not be proud of that. You should not be happy for that. देखो, and what I next line see, what I want should not be confused with the total inactivity. What this line see, what I want, what is saying, what I want everybody to stop. But stop means don't be confused about stop. He is saying please don't be confused. If I am telling you that stop, थोड़ी देर के लिए रुक जाइए, for a second stop हो जाइए, stop करिए सारी activity, movement, speaking, everything. Just think about self, just think about your achievement, success, loss, failure. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि you should be ideal at home, you are sleeping at home, you are doing nothing. This is not mean to the poet. देखो, without total inactivity, poet want you to stop for a while to think about yourself, to rectify yourself and move ahead, start working in positive direction. ठीक है? He don't suggest you, poet आपसे ये नहीं कह रहा है कि बस stay at home, sleep and be idle, do nothing. No, he want you to stop so that आप सोच पाए अपने बारे में. You should think about your achievement, your loss, your misdeed, your wrong activity जो आपने अपने लाइफ में अभी तक किया है. And you should think about your achievement, your merits, ताकि आप you should be happy for that. Because what he noted that every human being is sad. Next देखो, life is what it is about. Life is what it is about. And what do you mean by the life? Life is what? It is life. Refer in the poet opinion, life means we should introspect self. दूसरे को blame करने से पहले हमें खुद को examine करना चाहिए. This is called life. And I want not trucks with death. Trucks I means poet want not truck with death. Truck with death means after war what happened? When war take place, what happened? After war, lots of soldiers are being killed, lots of people are being killed, and they are being loaded in the truck and dead bodies carried to their house. Poet don't want. Poet ये नहीं चाहता कि बहुत सारे लोग मारे जाएं, whether it is in war or whether by any way. Clear? And their body should be carried in the vehicle. For example, you see in the in COVID, lakhs of people has been killed. Every country has lost more than 10 lakh people. How it happened? It is because of a virus. And who is the responsible for that? A human being. Human being is responsible for that. Because some country, they are thinking that by leaking such a virus, using such virus, they can dominate, they can control, they can become supreme power in the world. And what is the result? See, lakhs of people has been killed. If you see the data throughout the world, you will see that number of people dying. So Kuwait don't want that such activity should be done, because after that activity, what happened? The trucks are full of dead bodies. I hope this is clear. The explanation of this poem, this above extension is here. मैं slowly move कर रहा हूँ. I have explained it, तो आप इसको देख सकते हैं. You can read it, and if you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot also. ठीक है, ये ऊपर वाले stanza का ही explanation है. If you want, you can see it. If you want, you can read it also. मैं थोड़ा slow इसको move कर रहा हूँ ताकि आप इसका screenshot ले सकें, या आप इसको read भी कर सकें. Fine, आप stop करके read कर सकते हैं इसको. So you will get, if you have any doubt, तो आपका doubt इस explanation से clear हो जाएगा पूरी तरह. Fine.